Hello friends, this is Achal Mehta. I wish all bisque lovers a very happy Navratri. All Melbourne people, happy Navratri to all of you.
Hey Rama, Rama, hey Rama, Rama, hey Rama, Rama, hey Rama,
hey Rama, koi bachao re.
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 लोक मुन्ने सेड़े रे के लोक मुन्ने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुने सेड़े रे के लोक मुने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुन्ने सेड़े रे के लोक मुन्ने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुने सेड़े रे के लोक मुने कैसे
हे हूँ तो होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
ये तो होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
ये मुन्ने लटको करवानी घनी टेव रे मुन्ने लटको
करवानी घड़ी टेव
रे मुन्ने लटको
करवानी घड़ी टेव रे
लोक मुन्ने सेड़े के लोक मुन्ने कैसे लोक मुन्ने सेड़े के लोक मुन्ने कैसे के हूरे से सुंदरी रे लोल हे रामा कोई बचाओ रे
हे रामा कोई बचाओ रे
लोक मुन्ने सेड़े रे के लोक मुन्ने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुने सेड़े रे के लोक मुने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुन्ने सेड़े रे के लोक मुन्ने कैसे यहाँ
लोक मुने सेड़े रे के लोक मुने कैसे
हे हूँ तो होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
ये तो होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
होड़ रे बरहनी सुंदरी रे लोल
ये मुन्ने लटको करवानी घनी टेव रे मुन्ने लटको
करवानी घड़ी टेव रे
मुन्ने लटको
करवानी घड़ी टेव रे
Hello friends, this is Achal Mehta and I'm here in Melbourne today. My request is to like and visit www.bisque. It's showtime. Thank you.
Hello Biskiners, in this energetic Navratri festival today we are privileged to come here to meet a Garba prodigy. He's been singing since the age of 9 and he's won laurels and hearts of many since the last 33 years. So let's go and meet Achal Bhai and Mistry. So welcome, Pastor Mistry and Achal Bhai. Welcome to Melbourne. Kave Melbourne kave lagu chhe?
Melbourne is really very nice place. We are here for the fourth time. It's our fourth visit to Melbourne.
What brings you back to Melbourne?
Culture and people of Gujarati, their love towards Rishabh's Garba. That's all brings us over here again and again. So this is the fifth year we are here.
You know, you've been constantly doing shows, more than 33 years of experience you've had together, and, you know, as a combination of music and singing, it's a fabulous, you know, I would say, team. You know, what motivates you as a team to go ahead and, you know, present this?
It's always a team spirit as a family member. We hope that it's a team of 40 people. It's rhythm, it's chorus, they are co-singers, musicians, Achal singing, lead female singers. There are many garbas which are composed by Rishabh and they are popular since years, more than 35 years. The same crowd are scattered throughout the world and they know each and every garba, they dance and sing with the garba. So that's the best part
That
through the
brings
God.
us, you know, that motivates us. You know, the love for original traditional Garba. We don't sing film songs in the Garba.
Yes.
So it's purely traditional Garba. And that, you know, that makes a lot of difference to us because our aim is to promote pure tradition and not a mix. So
Which has been your favorite composition?
there are so many compositions. Like we have composed almost 210 Garbas so far. So, and we like all of them, but Tara Vina Sham is the very first composition. Then Jamuna Ne Kaanthe, Valam Ni Vansri, Venu Vagarto, Sharad Punam Ni Ratma, Gokul Gam Vela. There are so many.
So, particularly we know in Toronto, you've got Swar Sadhna Music Lovers Group. which you've been associated with. Tell us something, people usually associate you with Navratri, but you have so many other, points for your fans. Tell us more about where all we can actually hear.
You can hear with sheetalsangeet.com, tauko.com, and almost each and every house in Baroda, Gujarat, they must be having our Rishabh's CD, audio albums. And
You've been visiting so many countries as a team. Which has been your favorite?
we started with Australia, and of course it's Australia.
Yes, to Melbourne.
Yeah, Melbourne, yeah.
Any message I would say for the upcoming artists in Ras Garba and Sugam Sangeet, any message that you would want to pass on?
Yeah, basically the singer or a group who is in this particular genre should stick to that particular genre only. There should not be any kind of film music in say Ras and Garba or in say tradition folk music. It has to be purely folk and traditional music because he is working in that particular genre. Fine, person singing film songs, good, but not in Garba. So that's the message, that one should be very honest with the stage as well as with the art that he is doing and he's having or she is having. Be honest. Yeah, that's all.
So, you started first at the age of 9. What motivated you? What made you think, oh, this is what my life is going to be about?
I was in the school and I was listening every day Player and National Anthem. But I was not knowing that there are scripts and all that. So I said that only National Anthem is by heart. So I'll sing only National Anthem. So I started with National Anthem. Then I saw the scripts of different songs and bhajans and prayers. I started singing those things. So school people said, now this guy and this boy is capable. Let's put him into competitions, state level, youth festival and everything. So I started singing at different places. And then the base of Rishabh, that we were friends, all friends are music lovers. We used to sit and hang around at the place. Since all were music lovers, we thought why not to make our own group? Why not to write a song, compose a song and then perform as a group. We did that. And that is how we composed Tara Vina Shyam. See, there are controversies. There are other singers who are saying that Tara Vina Shyam is their own composition. But it's not true. It's a Rishabh's composition. Right. So that motivated us to our group. That success of Tara Vina Shyam. We started making different other songs. So there are almost 35 albums in the market today. Audio albums. Our own compositions. That is again a very motivational factor for us. So we have continued.
That's how you've been going across the globe.
Yeah.
So how did Mr. Mehta and Mr. Mistry team happen?
Basically, the friendship, what the friends are,
And the common interest.
what the passion
love for
was.
music.
Yeah, love for music and what the passion is. What cannot we do for the country, for the Indian culture? What's Radha Shyam? What's the combination of Krishna and Radha? What can be the combination of Mataji bhajans? So Rishabh started the great combination of Mataji and Radha Shyam. It popular throughout the world. And the crowd, each and every person, they know each and every garba. They know the lyrics and they are dancing. That's the best part, what we have the credit.
Comes from the heart and with all your soul.
It's called, in Gujarati, it is called Shaktini Aradhana. It's a divine thing, It's not only entertainment. When we sing Garba, when people are dancing, they are not doing only for the purpose of entertainment. They are doing bhakti. It's one kind of meditation. Yeah.
So to know more about the folklore, don't forget to visit www.achalmehta.com. Hello everyone, आज मेरे साथ है जीत और जीनल and let's ask them what brings them here. Tell us something आपके costume के बारे में. You're fully drenched into the Navratri feeling. क्या इसकी खासियत क्या है?
This is our tradition and this is a 9-day festival. It's called Navratri and ये हमारा culture है. जो ये costume है वो मेरी मम्मी ने बनाया है. वो specially handmade है और ये बहुत टाइम लेता है लाइक उसको गूंथने में और वो सब कुछ में, और ये हमारा ट्रेडिशनल है, सो ये मेरा लाइक this is my most favorite festival, and my family also participate in this festival, so I like this festival most.
और आप लाइक हर साल आते हैं यहाँ पे, आपको मिस होता है जैसे इंडिया में सेलिब्रेशन होता है वैसे फीलिंग?
इंडिया 9 डेज का सेलिब्रेशन होता है, लेकिन यहाँ वीकेंड्स में होता है कि एवरी फ्राइडे और सैटरडे होता है, तो हम एवरी ईयर इसमें पार्टिसिपेट होते हैं।
पर एवरी वीकेंड में हम फ्राइडे सैटरडे नहीं आ सकते, बाकी जॉब होती है, कुछ ना कुछ होता है तो नहीं आ सकते, पर वन डे आते हैं पर एंजॉय करता है।
आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे? ये काफी सारे आर्टिस्ट आते हैं, लेकिन आप अक्षर मेहता जी के नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेशन में रिपीट आते हैं, व्हाई? व्हाट वुड यू वांट टू से?
जो उसके बेसिकल गरबे है वो अचल मेहता के बहुत फेमस है और वो हमें पसंद है, इसलिए हम आते हैं।
ये सेम like when we listen to garbas, like we just play, we don't even think, so we just play to garba and we just like to garba, that's why we like it. मेरे कॉस्ट्यूम हर बार मेरी मम्मा बनाती है और वो हर बार नई नई चीज़ ढूंढ के लाती है मार्केट में से, और अगर मिलता है तो ठीक है, नहीं मिलता है तो अपने आप खुद बनाती है और पूरा टाइम निकालती है। 1 महीना में भी नहीं बनता है, 3-4 महीने निकल जाते हैं, पर वो अपने आप ही बनाती है ढूंढ ढूंढ के। और ये जो छाकड़े हैं वो प्रॉपरली वो अपने हाथ से करती है ये सारी चीज़ें मेरी मम्मा। सो आई लव इट एवरीथिंग।
Thank you so much. You guys are looking fabulous and very beautiful. It just gets the feeling out again.